welcome to this latest video on how to assemble 3D printed models. This time we're looking at fitting weight using examples from the Newman miniatures range. As you can see on the engine, I've already filled the boiler up. The firebox and smoke box lead through to it, so it can simply be filled in and a little bit of glue added, then filed down for neatness. This is a slightly complicated version to show on the video, so I'm using the simpler example of a motorised chassis for demonstration purposes. So if I move that out of the way, a little bit has already been put in, as you can see, but it's a case of slowly building up layers. Now some people like to add layers and then bits of glue. In this instance I've put all of it in and then added the glue. So I use what's called fluid lead. It's very fine lead shot, which is simply poured in. Now it can get in all over the place, so do be careful. And obviously lead is slightly poisonous, so make sure to wash your hands, etc. A bit of light tapping, make sure that it all settles down and you can get in as much as possible. Once it's full, as you can see here, I've applied the top of the crate on without any glue, simply to make sure that it would fit without too much difficulty, but equally that there's enough lead in there. And we get onto the gluing stage. Now, do not use PVA glue, because over time it can react with the lead and ultimately expand and damage your model. Instead, I'm simply using neat super glue here, dripped on and then left for a considerable amount of time to cure thoroughly. This has worked for me in the past, but of course, if you have your own way, then by all means do experiment. As with most of modelling, there are numerous ways of conducting different things. Anyway, I hope that this was of interest, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. See you then.